Comrades, namhlanje size nama security aboshwa ngo-2006 eliboshwa nge-unlawful arrest aboshwa istate nabo base beyasibopha then base beyithola imali. Namhlanje ke beze la njengoba nibabona nje bonke beze la ukuthi sizobalekelela kwi-lawyer ebizwa ngokuthi uDandala okuyiyona ke lawyer eyagcina isiphethe udaba layo uhulumeni wakhokha. Kodwa ke bakhona ke abafowethu abazochaza kahle lolu daba abanlethe la kwi-MK Labour Desk ukuthi asikuthathe ke thina sibise high court ngoba kuyacaca ukuthi usizo lwabo alusekho. Ake sidedele kuwe mfowethu awuyichaze le ndaba siza ukuthi kwenzekeni njengoba nila abanye abekho ngiyabona it's almost 117. Okay, awuchaze mfowethu.
Amandla awethu long live spirit of MKP Labour Desk, long live spirit of MK Labour Desk, long live Amandla awethu. Comrades, I'm not gonna be long. I'm gonna be short and sweet with the issue there. It's challenging all in chat. Comrades, la babongobo. We were unlawfully arrested. There was a strike, summer security, a long strike for security, whereby they were fighting for their rights against the employers of security industry. With security. It was a long strike, which resulted in whereby we were gathering in Bottas Park. We resulted whereby during MEC getting arrested, unlawfully arrested. Most yesilele ngezizwe lapha khona sidlalela ocasino sabogcina sesiboshwe ukuthi sidlaleleni lapha khona, of which we are not happy about that. So ngo-2019 ke ummeli owayi-instructiwe ukuthi adile ne-matter yethu u-AD Dandala took i-matter to fight against that ukuthi siboshelweni ngokungenasidingo. Saboshwa sahamba sohlala ejele Westville. Now egcinele uDandala mase edilile nemetha yethu ukuthi siboshwe ngokungenasidingo. I-state sakhokha ukuthi siboshwe ngokungenasidingo. Then egcinele imali esayikhokhelwa yi-state ukuthi siboshiwe ayizange ize ngendlela kuthina njengabantu ababeboshiwe njengama-victims, yabo. And there was no consultation there bakhona during that process, of which that was against umthetho nawo awusayina njengommeli ukuthi uma ngabe udila nemetha yomuntu it should be a consultation between abantu bamele ukuthi ubatshele ukuthi i-progress yemetha ithini. There was nothing. Wakhamuka sesitshele win case yethu, this is what we are entitled to get. And then when we asked Udandala, Mr. Dandala, exactly what was the settlement agreement now in the state, and then it becoming aggressive, what was the settlement agreement? Was the rest of which we end up deciding no, as victims. We need to inform the local practice council. No, we are not happy with the process. Then, up until today, the local practice council, there is nothing has been done to prove what Udandala done something wrong to us, of which it shows clear to us what the local practice council, less respect, they are sleeping with one blanket in terms of corruptions, in terms of our claims about. So this is why we decided ukuthi we come in numbers ukuthi size la kwi-labor desk ekuyiyona siyibona njenge-organization ekukhombisa ukuthi iyafisa ukuthi iphucule inkohlakalo noma idile nenkohlakalo ekhona njengamanje siyibonayo in all institute akhona kwi-government oholwa ugovernment ophethe njengamanje. Yilokho engifisa ukuthi-ke i-labor desk we want to see them deal with this matter once and for all to prove ukuthi in South Africa there is no corruption or there is no abuse abantu ngendlela engekho right.
So this is lakho manje.
Okugcina nje sicela ukuthi uDandala lapho ekhona aphumele obala vele ngoba le matter le siyana i-high court and serious. Even i-LPC indlela eseyenze ngayo since 20 February 2021 until today. There is nothing abasinikeze usikwazi ukuprosecute uDandala. So for therefore izenzo zabo kusho bama accomplice for wrongdoings ukuthi break into South Africa kwenziwe fraud of which South Africa in high numbers of abantu abenza ama fraud. Now we standing against those things because we are not above the law. If uDandala is above the law we will see because sesila umkhonto uzosisiza. Siyabonga.
Angenisho bafowethu ngifuna ukuchecka lento la kini ukuthi njengoba kunje uDandala enze nje aninawo inama figures estimated figures ukuthi wathola imali enikezwa istate akekho nayo.
Into esinando ile ya document le sasithole la endlela sayithola ngayo.
So asibuyele ke la comrades nonke nina nikhona udaba lenu lusezandleni ezirathi. Siyazi ukuthi sidila nabameli and abameli bayakhavala. Sizodinga ummeli la wangempela o-understand umthetho osafuna isithunzi sabameli sibuye eSouth Africa. Sisafuna la futhi nejaji elisafuna ukuthi kubuye leyanto yomthetho eSouth Africa ngoba le i-corruption le eyenzekwa in a high rate of corruption ukuthi ku-involve abameli kwi-corruption and they end up beba ne-upper hand ey'malini zabantu. Iyafana lento nalaba abantu bey'ngozi zemgwaqo abameli whereby beba involved kwi-corruption kodwa i-association wabo abameli ungakwazi ukusilekelela thina njengabantu abangawazi umthetho. So i-MK Labor Desk is here to assist wonke umuntu. Uma engekho ummeli esomthola eSouth Africa we will outsource ummeli kwelinye izwe okufanele afika azokhuluma le case uma kuwukuthi abasekho abameli abakhona eSouth Africa abangamela abantu njengoba bahamba bafunga ukuthi bayomela umthetho. Nejaji futhi mangabe siyolibona ukuthi liyachema siyolifuna kwelinye izwe eliyomela le case yenu ukuze nikwazi ukuthola ijustice. Amandla awethu amandla.